SciFinder is the most comprehensive source for chemical literature, searchable by topic, author, substances, and more. You can also use a built-in editor to draw chemical structures, substructures, or reactions. It is a core research tool for chemistry, biochemistry, and other science and engineering disciplines. To access this database, you can visit our library website at tamug.edu/library. Look for the Students tab on the sidebar and click to view the drop-down options. Select the TAMU databases to see a full list of resources available to you. This list of over 1,200 databases is alphabetized, and you can scroll to browse or search for a specific resource. Since we are looking for SciFinder, we can type the name in the search bar and have it brought up. When we click on SciFinder, we are given a notice that this resource includes special access instructions. In order to see the resource and use the full range of its features, you will need to create a SciFinder account. This is a one-time registration, as you will create SciFinder-specific credentials which you can use in the future. Review the A&M Student Use Restriction Statement and click to register for an account. Complete all the required information. Once submitted, you will be emailed a link to complete your registration. Now you're ready to access SciFinder with your new account. Depending on your browser and settings, you can click the link through the library website and sign in to the resource. However, some students report connectivity issues using this method. For that reason, we recommend going directly to scifinder.cas.org and inputting your login credentials there. When you log in to SciFinder, you'll note several search options here on the left sidebar. All finds substances, reactions, references, and suppliers that match your query. You can search terms that identify the subject of interest or draw or import a structure query. Substances, where you can find substances by search terms, a chemical structure, or both. Reactions, where you can search reactions by substance name, CAS registry number, reaction number, and document identifier. References, where you can find references by search terms, a chemical structure, or both. And there are also advanced search options, including search by supplier, biosequence, or retrosynthesis. Let's begin with a demonstration of the All search function so you can see the range of results available. Let's search for the term binoxaprofen. Here we see the results include substances, reactions, references, and suppliers. To view all of the results for a particular type, click the result type in the left-hand pane. As literature searching might be your primary use for SciFinder in this course, let's do one more example of a specific reference search. You can see in the search instructions that you can search by keyword, meaning that you can use terms, names, or even phrases as search terms. For this example, we will search for nanoparticles for drug delivery. We receive over 142,000 results. This is an admittedly daunting amount of material at first glance. However, note that there are several filter options built into SciFinder which allow you to limit your results and find the most relevant material. In the left sidebar, you can filter results to include types of material, such as only journal articles, and you'll also find language limiters as well. For this example, let's assume that the assignment requires articles published within the past 5 years. We can use the date filter to create this search parameter. And now we have cut the amount of search results significantly. Another filter you might find particularly useful is under the Concept dropdown. Here, you'll find keywords and phrases associated with your original search. So if we are interested in specifically nanoparticles for drug delivery and chemotherapy treatments, we can limit our results to less than 4,000 articles. By using SciFinder's filters and browsing results, you should find relevant articles for your research. Click an article to open a summary and select full text to access the complete source via A&M libraries. If you have located a particularly useful article and you want to save it for future research or reference, select the 3 dots next to the article name in the search results. Click Save. Name the article and click Save again. Select the bookmark icon at the top of your screen to access all the articles you have saved. If you want to utilize some more advanced SciFinder search options, or if you have additional questions about navigating this database, you can schedule an appointment with a TAMUG librarian, a peer research consultant, or refer to SciFinder's own Help Center by clicking the link beneath your profile icon.